Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix cannot install Messenger error on Google Play Store. If you are facing cannot install Messenger on Google Play Store, it usually crashed by storage issues, crafted crash or system problem. Let's see how to fix cannot install Messenger error on Google Play Store. Step 1. Open your file manager. Check your storage space. Ensure at least 1 or 2 GB free space. Delete unnecessary apps or files. Step 2. Long press or long tap in Play Store application. Click on Apps Info. Again click on Storage. Tap on Clear Data. Again tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 3. Open your phone setting. Search Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Avoid slow or unstable network. Step 4. Restart your device and again open it. Step 6. Uninstall your Google Play Store and again install it. Step 7. Again open Play Store. Search any app. You can follow all of the steps to fix cannot install Messenger error on Google Play Store problem solved. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.